Welcome again! This time we bring you a delicious recipe. We found it in Alma Bergon's blog, which we love. Watch to see how easy it is. Today we make mini donuts. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. Oh, it looks like Gato Rainbow has found his chef hat. Do you want to make some mini donuts? Last time we cooked them, we had a really good time. We will need a mini donuts mold, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 of a cup of white sugar, 1/8 of a cup of brown sugar, 1½ ounces of milk, and another 1½ ounces of milk with a few drops of lemon juice, a medium egg, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 1/8 of a cup of melted butter, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You have everything, right, Gato Rainbow? Oh, hello, Gato Moon! We were going to cook. Do you want to join us? Wow, that was fast! Let's start by putting all the dry ingredients in a bowl. The flour, the sugars, the baking powder, and a pinch of salt. And now we add the egg. Come on, Gato Moon, this is always your favorite part. Very good. Now add the milk with the lemon, vanilla extract, and the butter. And mix everything very well. Now let's grease the mold with a little bit of butter. And with a pastry bag, we're going to fill our mold. We used a round tip, but it is not necessary. Just cutting the top of the bag a little bit will help the dough come out evenly. To fill the bag, we always use this trick. We put the pastry bag in a tall glass and we open it very well. And then we put the dough inside. Be careful because this dough is quite liquid and it's hard to control it when filling the mold. And now fill the mold halfway carefully. When they're ready, put them in the oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. While baking, we're going to make the icing with icing sugar, water, and gel food coloring. In a bowl, put approximately 1½ cups of icing sugar and a little bit of water, very little. It's better to add more water later than putting too much. Mix it and try to get this consistency. We could say it looks like white glue. We made this mix 4 times because we wanted 4 colors, but you can do it as many times as you want. We wanted pink, blue, purple, and orange. As you can see, with just 1 drop it's more than enough. Take the donuts out of the mold and put them in the glaze like this, carefully. Add sprinkles, and there you have it! This is the perfect time to be creative and let the little ones design their own donuts. You can even mix several colors, making stripes like this. It seems like Gato Moon loved them. And Gato Rainbow too. They're good, huh, Gato Rainbow? Thanks again for watching our video. We hope you liked it. If so, subscribe to see more videos like this. It helps us a lot. Until next time!